Retirement planning is essential for securing financial independence. It ensures a comfortable lifestyle during your later years. Starting early is a key factor in successful retirement planning. Early planning provides a significant advantage in accumulating funds. A substantial retirement fund contributes to long-term financial security. Retirement planning involves proactively setting aside money. Strategic investment of these funds is crucial for retirement planning. The goal is to maintain your desired lifestyle after employment ceases. Effective planning ensures your financial needs are met during retirement. Retirement planning is a key approach to long-term financial security. Various countries offer different retirement systems to support the financial futures of their citizens. These systems include individual retirement accounts and employer-sponsored plans. Contributing regularly to retirement accounts is crucial for building a substantial nest egg. Leveraging the power of compound growth is essential for maximizing retirement savings over time. A combination of savings and diversified investments is crucial for retirement fund growth. Diversifying your portfolio is an effective strategy. Starting early allows for more time to accumulate wealth. Consistent contributions over time are essential for maximizing growth. These strategies help in building a substantial retirement fund. Strategic planning ensures long-term financial security in retirement. Compound growth involves earning returns on both the initial investment and the accumulated interest. This compounding effect can substantially enhance retirement savings over time. The longer the investment period, the more significant the impact of compounding. Therefore, early investment is highly advantageous due to the power of compound growth. Diversification involves spreading investments across various asset classes. Common asset classes include stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification reduces risk by avoiding over-reliance on a single investment. This strategy can also enhance potential returns for a retirement fund. Risk tolerance assessment is essential for sound investment strategies. It involves understanding one's comfort level with potential investment losses. Assessing risk tolerance helps align investments with financial goals. This alignment ensures investments match an individual's risk appetite. Informed investment decisions are a direct result of understanding your risk tolerance. Employer-sponsored retirement plans often include matching contributions. Matching contributions can significantly increase your retirement savings. Taking full advantage of employer matches is a key strategy. This strategy helps maximize your retirement fund. Inflation reduces the purchasing power of money over time. It is crucial to consider inflation when planning for retirement. Inflation erodes the real value of savings and investments. Investing in assets that grow faster than inflation is essential. This strategy helps maintain your standard of living throughout retirement. Begin retirement planning now to ensure financial security later. Consistent saving is a foundational element for a comfortable retirement. Wise investment strategies are essential to grow retirement funds effectively. Careful financial planning helps navigate the complexities of retirement income. These actions promote financial independence during retirement years. Proactive planning reduces stress and enhances overall retirement well-being.